Welcome everybody. In this video we're going to be unboxing the CR65 laser radar detector from Whistler. And as you can see, this is the box that it's going to come in. It does have the icon display with a blue digital signal strength indicator. It does have pop mode detection, the traffic flow signal rejection. It's got the stay alert feature, and it does have our total laser detection, which will allow it to detect the LTI True Speed S, laser ally, and laser Atlantis stealth mode. So let's take a look at the back of the box over here. You can see a little more complete list of some of the features on the detector, as well as a description of what some of these features are going to do for you. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box up and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so we open it up here. We got a few accessories included. We've got our power cord. It's going to plug into your 12-volt outlet and provide power to the radar detector. And we have got our windshield bracket kit here. This is going to come with your 2 suction cups and a little black bumper to keep it from tapping on your windshield. And then we've also got our owner's manual in here. This is going to give you some operating instructions for the radar detector, as well as just some other general information about radar. And of course, last but not least, we've also got the detector itself. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this out of the bag and take a little bit closer look at it. It comes with a couple of little protective slips here to keep our plastic and our lenses from getting scratched. So we'll just pull those off here and set them aside. And as you can see, this is the detector. Right here on the top in the center, this is where our speaker is located. And as you can see across the front here, we've got our 4 control buttons. We've got the dark, quiet, city, and menu. And then if we go ahead and take a look at the side of the detector here, we've got our bracket release button. What this is going to do for us is if we press and hold on this button down, once we've got our windshield bracket locked into place, this will allow us to unlock it and remove it from the detector, so we can take it down off the windshield, things like that. We've also got our power and volume control. This is just a little wheel that's going to roll. It's going to click to turn the power on, keep rolling it to turn the volume up, the other way to turn the volume back down, and then of course it clicks and to turn the power up back off. On the other side over here, we've got our power input. This is where we're going to plug our power cord into. And then on the back of the unit, this is where our radar and laser antennas are located. And just above this lens is where our windshield bracket kit is going to slide into place. Okay, so this is the CR65 laser radar detector from Whistler. You can check out more of our videos on our YouTube channel. That's at youtube.com/WhistlerGroupInc. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe.